trying to diss Dollar Tree. I mean, that's one of my favorite stores, but there are some gardening products that's not worth you spending your hard-earned cash. Now, let's take, for instance, these water pitchers. The way it's designed doesn't make any type of sense. It has 2 spouts on both ends. Instead of watering your plants, you'll be drowning them and making a mess all at the same time. Also, the water pours over the sides. It can easily tip over because the base is small and narrow. This item was designed so weird. Skip it and get yourself a regular pitcher that does the job. I didn't have to go far for the next gardening product. It's these Dollar Tree plastic pots. Yes, the plastic pots. Now I know some of you may disagree, but the Dollar Tree pots for me are pretty flimsy. They are really for indoor plants. I found that these plastic pots don't hold up well when you drill holes for drainage at the bottom of them. I've tried hand screwdrivers, electric ones, scissors. It cracks at the bottom of the pot. I've thrown most of them out. This is the only pot I've been able to save. Also, some of these pots are very thin. You can bend the rim with just one hand. Yes, I'll give it to them. They have come up with pretty different, nice designs they're really stepping up their designs when it comes to the regular pots. But again, I think the pots need to be better quality. My suggestion, go with the more durable pots at Dollar Tree and definitely skip the ones that don't have built-in drainage holes in them. The only pots that I buy here at Dollar Tree are these 3-tier planters. You can see that they already have the drainage holes. I love the fact that you can stack them as high as you want. I put my strawberries in there and my celery, and it makes a wonderful herb tower. Now, this is the next sore spot for me, and it's those Dollar Tree spray bottles. I can't tell you how many spray bottles I brought at Dollar Tree. When you get them home, they work fine. And then after a month or so, they stop working. I don't know why. For me, it does. It just stops spraying. It's pretty frustrating. I've stopped buying them altogether. Now, guys, I just want to say that these are just my opinions because I regularly shop at Dollar Tree. Doesn't necessarily mean just because I don't like it means that you don't like it. So if you do like something, let me know why it's worked for you. But for me, these are just gardening supplies that have not worked for me that I now don't buy at all. As we make our way down the aisles of the garden supplies, you're going to want to definitely stick around because I'm going to talk about one particular product that is very controversial. So you definitely want to stay tuned till the end. Next on the list are these hummingbird feeders. I know, the hummingbird feeders. Now, the reason why I'm putting the hummingbird feeders on the list is because when I did a recent video, lots of people were complaining about the hummingbird feeders. First of all, they said that it used to have 4 slots and now it only has 3, and they say it attracts a lot of ants and it's hard to clean, while other people said that they love their hummingbird feeders, that it brings so many hummingbirds to the garden. So that is the reason why it's on the list, because this is one of the more debatable products here at Dollar Tree. Some people love the hummingbird feeders while others say that it's really not that great, even though it's $1.50. What are you? Are you team hummingbird feeder or are you giving it a thumbs down? I haven't gotten the bird feeders, so really I don't have an opinion on the bird feeders. This is just opinions that I have gotten from other people about the bird feeders. But I think I'm going to try them anyway because let's face it, it is $1.50 and they're cute. These self-starting pots, I'm still trying to understand. Yes, they are, 10 comes in this package, but just take a look at how small they are, really. They're very, very tiny pots. So once the seed starts to grow, you're going to have to transfer it into another pot. Now, there have been some people that said that you can just put this in the ground, but think about it, guys. If you are starting a seed and it starts to grow, it's going to need a little bit of elbow room to grow. And this is just really too small for any type of seed to grow. In my opinion, why even buy something this small? I would stick just to the bigger ones that come in the big box stores, and Dollar Tree does carry the bigger sizes. I agree, gardening should be made made easy, but you should also get what you're expecting. Be forewarned, because I think I did get a painted daisy and it was not a painted daisy. So again, what's your thoughts on these flower rockets? Have you had any problems with them? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So guys, drum roll here. The last product that is on my list that I believe is the most controversial product here at Dollar Tree is the Miracle-Gro. That's right, the Miracle-Gro. Lots of people have a lot of opinions about the Miracle-Gro. Now, the Miracle-Gro does cost $5 here at Dollar Tree. It's a little bit more expensive at the big box store for this size, but lots of people say that Miracle-Gro, you should not be buying Miracle-Gro because of all the chemicals in it, that it destroys the soil, that it's not good for plants, it's not good for vegetables. But other people are on the other side and saying that Miracle-Gro has worked for them, that it is something that they're using for years and it just works. What's your opinion? Do you buy the Miracle-Gro here at Dollar Tree? Do you buy Miracle-Gro at all? And if you don't buy Miracle-Gro, let me know what potting soil you use. I haven't tried these handheld bug zappers yet. Anybody know if they work? Let me know in the comment section, because I would really like to know whether they work. But you're just supposed to hang them up like that and they're supposed to zap the bugs for you. But I'm not sure if I really like them, because you can't tell if you're zapping good bugs or bad bugs. So this is something that I probably would not get. And sidebar here, Dollar Tree also has its Valentine products out and St. Patrick's Day, and they also have their Easter products out. So if you want to get any of those holiday items, run to your local Dollar Tree. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. If you got any good useful information from this video, you know what to do. Hit that sub button. Until next time, keep rooted.